Hello everyone, my name is Saul Diaz. Today I will be discussing promotional strategy and provide an overview of a promotion strategy proposal for Mary Washington Healthcare. I will review online and offline media tools this organization uses to reach their potential consumers. Mary Washington Healthcare offers a vast number of healthcare services to its community. They are composed of a trauma center hospital and ambulatory service locations such as walk-in clinics, the Imaging and Cancer Center. This organization offers behavioral health, brain health, cancer care services, cardiac services, childbirth, clinical trials, dermatology, diabetes, emergency services, family and internal medicine, imaging services, laboratory services, palliative care, pastoral care, pharmacy, pregnancy, rheumatology, rehabilitation, surgical services, trauma, and urology. This is a list of many of the services they provide as advertised on their main website. The primary customer is any patient that needs healthcare services. These services are promoted using a promotional mix that includes publicity, social media, and advertising. Mary Washington Healthcare uses multiple promotion practices and strategies to promote the services they offer. The promotional strategy of an organization plays a major role in the success of that institution. The promotional strategies that organizations use to communicate include advertising, personal selling, publicity, and sales promotion. The most important part of this concept is to effectively communicate and reach the customer. Mary Washington Healthcare uses multiple practices to promote and advertise their services. Social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook are used to advertise and sell themselves. Local newspaper advertisement is also a common practice used. Own and private radio ads are played in local stations, and they sponsor local events to promote and invest in the community. Local television ads and patient experience videos are also developed and advertised by this organization through visual mediums. The first picture in the slide is a snapshot of their Instagram account. The second one is a picture of their Facebook page, and the last image is an example of the local radio stations they have. Local newspaper articles are frequent on the Freelance Star, which is the local newspaper agency. The Fredericksburg Brouhaha is one of the multiple events that Mary Washington Healthcare helps organize to promote the organization. The video in this screenshot is an example of how they promote their services by making the case that they have unique procedures that stand out from any competitor. It is important to determine a marketing strategy. Mary Washington Healthcare understands the importance of the 4 P's of marketing. They know their product and the place needed to promote it. This organization understands that advertising doesn't have to be costly, and they use several mediums that are affordable and efficient. Mary Washington Healthcare controls whom, when, and how often messages are delivered. The advertisement strategy allows online marketing tools to have success. Their website and social media accounts are an effective way to communicate and interact with their community. Public relations positively promote organization and crisis management. The strength of these practices and strategies are visible throughout the organization. The marketing objectives are clearly defined, but the mediums they use have room for improvement, as demonstrated on the popularity of their social media accounts. Their advertisement department has a strong production team, but lacks the success of how many people it reaches. The online marketing strategy has a strong design, such as the produced videos, but the number of followers they have is very low for an organization of this magnitude. Mary Washington Healthcare has built an image that gives them credibility in the community they serve. This is evidenced in the majority of positive reviews throughout their social media platforms. It is important to note that their public relations lack social media monitoring, as several questions or comments are not answered. The success of an organization lies on recognizing its strengths and weaknesses. Mary Washington Healthcare should focus on strategies that will improve the promotion strategy of the organization. To fix non-reproductive or weak marketing efforts, it is essential to identify the problems. The first step this organization should focus on is using an analytical tool to determine the aspects that are not optimal. This organization should focus on improving online marketing platforms such as their YouTube channel, Facebook, and Twitter. They should be focused on improving customer service by listening to the negative and positive feedback they get directly from the consumers. It is important to narrow down the most important customers. Using tools such as Pareto's principle would help to identify the potential customers that have the biggest potential to come in contact with the organization. Lastly, it is imperative that Mary Washington Healthcare has consistency in its practices. The marketing objectives, advertisement, online marketing, and public relations should continue to post quality content, interact with the customers on a regular basis. For example, when a new procedure is available or a new facility opens, it is important to have a continuation of promotion beyond the grand opening. Having a proper promotion strategy provides guidance to an organization to develop practices that allow that organization to promote and advertise their services. Communication is key in the success of a marketing promotion plan. The ultimate goal of any successful promotional strategy effort for a healthcare organization is to ensure that a long-term relationship is maintained with the consumer rather than just a one-time interaction. It also provides assurance that the right message is delivered to the right person. Mary Washington Healthcare has dedicated its resources towards having an effective and functional promotional strategy. 4 benefits of these strategies are brand visibility, increased media coverage, segment identification, and controlling an effective message to reach potential consumers. The use of various communication mediums helps spread across information about the brand of the company. An effective promotion strategy will help the organization to increase brand awareness among potential customers. Having a proper promotion strategy will increase media coverage. Public relations that provide news that are backed up by solid evidence will give the organization a boost to the multiple publications the organization will be involved in. Segment identification is a benefit that can be very helpful in identifying different segments of consumers in the market and offer suitable solutions for potential customers. Lastly, a proper and effective promotion strategy will give the organization the control it needs to use proper mediums to effectively communicate the intended message.